Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail business email setup problems in 2026. So if you're trying to use your Hotmail or Outlook email for business, but it's not syncing, not sending, or not setting up correctly, yeah, this guide will help you fix everything step by step. First, make sure you're using a proper Microsoft Outlook or Hotmail account for business setup. Sometimes users try to mix personal settings with business configurations. Next, double-check your email address and login credentials, so even a small mistake in your domain or password can stop the setup process. Now confirm your server settings. Incorrect IMAP or SMTP settings are a common reason business email setup fails. So yeah, make sure SSL encryption and authentication are enabled. Business email systems require secure connections to work properly. If setup still fails, remove the account and add it again. This resets incorrect configuration and fixes most syncing issues. Finally, update your email app or try the Outlook desktop version. So older apps may not support updated Microsoft security requirements, and that's how to fix Hotmail business email setup problems in 2026. Once your credentials, server settings, and security options are correct, your business email should work smoothly again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook troubleshooting tutorials. Hey everyone!